Hi Tubers Mezcal here. The capacitors have arrived. They've been here for a while. I've been searching my shed, doing that, I know it's a here somewhere thing, looking for a solder sucker. So I've just been down to Bunnings and had to buy this thing, $29.95, just to get the solder sucker because I can't find mine. The J-Car reseller failed me. He didn't have these kits. J-Car usually sells a $29 kit exactly the same as this with the solder sucker, and they lost out. So what I need here is that plunger. Press that button, creates a vacuum. When you got hot solder, pulls it up into this chamber here, and you make a mess inside there rather than on your board. Let's get into this. Okay, we have a light. We have a red light. Alright, maybe I should get my finder on. Just stick with what we've got to begin with. Hopefully this is leaded solder. Now, I'm going to start over here on these big fatty caps. I'll start taking away that. It's a good idea to add more solder to get things flowing when you're trying to get your when you're trying to undo things. Zoom in there. Fresh solder down, that's running. Pop that on there. I'll load it up first. And there we go, that's nicely removed. Just keep doing that until we can get all these components out. And, carry on. Pulling junk up into here and making it hard to clean this out. As you see this shit that fell on the board there. Just keep going. See if we can do it without extra solder. It really makes a hell of a difference to throw a little bit of solder down because it's not flowing, conducting the heat well. Yeah, look at all the spludge on that. I've already got a band-aid from this thing today, I don't want another one. I was undoing the clip, the 240 volt plug end over here, and I grabbed it and my finger just ran straight along the edge of the plug. Oh, it was painful. Instant blood everywhere. Right, how do we pry this up? Let's just go in with Leatherman, eh? Yeah, beauty. Now I've tested These two seem to give a strange result. This one here seemed to give an alright result. But I'm just going to swap them all out, because what's the point of having old and new? Come on. Out you get. Okay. So that's where we're at. I won't bore you with the whole watching me pull them out and reinstall them, because that would just be super boring. I'll just carry on fixing this up, and hopefully when I go to power it up, I'm just going to power it up each time that I've put a new bank of things in. Hopefully all of a sudden it starts to work. So yeah, the next video I'll show plugging it in and powering up and seeing where we're at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and